I think we have already created a few reports. In those reports, what we have done is, so we have done is only one table. For example, if I open up these reports, so these are the reports, whatever we are the reports. For example, if I open these reports, okay, open incident. For example, I'm just taking open incidents by assignments. So since it is already a report, so here what, so we will do is, this is we have run on the only one table. So here I only this one. Now what happened? I just want to get the incidents and the what are the incidents associated with the SLA and what are the incident has breached it. So here the incidents is belongs to the incident table, and incident SLAs will belongs to the incident sorry task underscore SLA table. So those two tables, if you want to do, what we can do, we right now if you we can we have to download it in a Excel and we have to do some VLOOKUP or something. So it's a very long and lengthy process. Instead of it in the service now, if you want to make a report of two or more tables, so we have a topic called database use. Database use is nothing but whatever the view, if you want to club two or more tables which is a physically, and a database use, from that we will create a table which is a logical. So we'll go for the database use. This is also the one of the interview question. The interviewer may ask, what are the things where we can do for the same thing here. Now whatever we are doing, so I'm just going to the database use. See, this is the one, and I just want to see. So here the, this is the incident SLA. So here I'm just showing the incident SLA. So here the database use, and also you can see this database view will be stored in a different table. Different table. That table name is sys underscore db underscore view. Here what we are doing here is, we have to club the incident table. The incident table backend name is incident, and the task SLA. Task SLA for also the backend name is task underscore SLA. Those two tables we need to club. If you need to make a database use of two reports, one table should be reference to the another table. That means one table should be reference to the another table, so that what we can do is, then only we can make a filter of it. Here I'm just writing incident underscore SLA. So incident underscore SLA, this is how we have written. And next one, join the incident. So here the description is what is the purpose of it. join incident to SLA table to report for like incident resolved by SLA per the incident category. Like that, whatever we read, we require it. And here the plurals, labels, this is a very normal procedure we have to do formalities. And next one here, view tables. View tables is nothing but here where we can join these two tables. In the task underscore SLA, we are at and variable prefix. Here we are giving the variable prefix as a task underscore sorry task SLA table. That means how we have guide by using the glide record by we have fetch that information in the incident table. So here also we can have the task SLA table. And now the next step here is whatever we have done is here. So next one is a task underscore one and incident and here 100 and incident also I'm using inc. Here where class is nothing but from like where we need to fetch that info like task underscore SLA hyphen task. For example, if I open this task SLA table, task SLA. For example, if I open this task SLA, you will get some info here. So here this field, this task field here we are getting, and here we are task and underscore task table and equal to inc underscore sysid. That means whatever the record here that fetch that information sysid and the other sysid has to match it. Then only we can make a this one. Like this, we can write a database view. This is a very small topic and very rarely we will use in the real time, but this has to we have this is a very we have to know the same thing. I hope you got it right how you can write a SLS database views. Still now any confusion before going to next? Okay, very good. Now uh, now the next step is what we are going to do is here. Now I'm just going to the report. Let's see how this report will work. So assume that your manager is saying that I want to incidents which are closed in the last month, and whereas the SLA has breached it, and whatever we are going incident underscore table here, this is a logical table. Physically, it will not existing anywhere. Where we are storing those two tables in a one table for reporting purpose only. So incidents SLA breach incidents. So I'm just making table and this one incident SLAs. Next one, incident SLAs. So next one, the type I'm just making as a list. That's fine. And if we go to the configure, so here, what are the fields we have to configure? If you go to the configure, the SLA definition which was taken from the table and stage is on active. Here, INC active is nothing but this active taken from the incident table. Here, active task underscore table underscore sorry task SLA underscore table active which is taken from the whereas this prefix where we use it right this task SLA. So like that whatever we are read yeah, I'm just making here assign to and assignment group I'm just making to assignment group and SLA definition and the target so here the target is if I open this one here we can see it has breached is I'm just making this description. I'm just make it as a no need. I'm just making short description. This is for one, and I'm just making as a No description transcription has breached it. So if I give this one, whereas, and we can write the report will be the same thing. Now I'm just going to run it. This will be the one, and here I can write it. The condition is here the report once we have created from it, it is the same. Only that from the report how we had earlier the same concept, and also you want to add a field called whereas mm, this in the SLA definition, the type is target or sorry resolution sorry response SLA or resolution SLA. So in that one we have to use the dot walk-in. If you want to dot walk-in, so where we can raise SLA definition, right? Okay, I'm just going to the up SLA definition. You just click on this here, whereas we can expand what are the items in the SLA definition. In that SLA, this we will call as a dot walk-in field. If I go to the SLA and we will make it as a type here, we can add the SLA definition type and SLA definition and SLA definition type. Here, if I run this report, let's see what happens. Okay, type is SLA. Okay, I think we missed it. As you have seen, right? SLA, OLA, and UPC that we can do it, or else I'm just what is this? Again, go to the dot walk-in. Okay, I'm sorry, I missed that one. Target, target SLA, and now if I run this, see resolution, 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 or else we can make a group by. I'm sorry. Sorry. SLA definition in that. I'm sorry. If you click on this one SLA definition and run this, so what happened here, the resolution and response will be the, it will be the calculated the same thing here. Like that how we can build a report on the database use. So I hope you clear or any confusion the database use. Very. So now today the task is, so like that we have added the incidents associated with the sorry SLS, we have done it. Like that similarly you can create a 2 to 3 SLS on problem and change tables, and try to build a database view from the same by using same concept for the target problem SLA and the change SLA. Got it? Hello, you got it or any confusion? Okay, this is the standard thing we have to discuss it as same. So, if any questions on the today's topic which you discussed, I hope you have to finish the two topics task today. So that is for the incident to problem, sorry, problem to incident closure, and this database use on the problem and change tables. Any questions for today's topic? Very. Any questions on the previous topics? Okay, very good. If no other questions, we can wind up the call and hopefully